SV Union High School and Junior College welcomes all the students of Standard 9. In today's History, Chapter 8, Industry and Trade, we are going to continue in the second part with different various industries like the automobile industry, cement industry, leather industry, salt industry, bicycle industry, Khadi and village industry. Automobile industry. India is one of the major producers of vehicles. Vehicles are exported to 40 countries from India. The automobile industry is called the sunrise sector in India. For example, India's tractor industry is the biggest in the world. 1/3 of the tractors manufactured worldwide are produced in India. Tractors manufactured in India are exported to Turkey, Malaysia, and several countries in Africa. So, students, you can also see the various automobile industries in India, and we are proud that India is one of the major producers of vehicles. And these vehicles are exported to about 40 various countries in the world. The automobile industry is called the sunrise sector. Now, the name sunrise sector itself suggests it is a very flourishing industry. And the example, India's tractor industry. It is one of the biggest in the world. 1/3 of the tractors manufactured worldwide are produced in India. Tractors manufactured in India, they are mainly exported to other countries like Turkey, Malaysia, and several countries in Africa. Next is the cement industry. The role of cement industry is important in the development of housing and infrastructure. This industry is one of the most technologically advanced. India is currently an important producer of cement in the world. So, students, as you know that cement is required in the development of housing and infrastructure. Good quality cement is required for building various constructions, bridges, and everything. And it should be mostly technologically advanced. So, India is currently an important producer of cement in the world. So, we not only produce but we also give it to various countries of the world. Next is the leather industry. It is a big industry in India. It is primarily export oriented. Now, export means we are making these products and we are supplying to other parts of the world, means we are supplying it to other countries. Now, you can see in the picture there are various products made of leather like the shoes, then the belts, wallets, hats, etc. So, various products are made and we export it to other countries. Next is the salt industry. As you can see in the picture that how salt is collected along the seashores, how it is made. There are salt pans. Now let us see about the salt industry. India is one of the top producers of salt in the world. The annual production of salt in India is 200 lakh tons. The production of iodized salt is 60 lakh tons. So, students, you can see that India is also one of the top most producers of salt in the world. Now, if you see the map of India, you know that India is a peninsula. Means India is surrounded by 3 sides by the oceans. To the west you have the Arabian Sea, to the south you have the Indian Ocean, and to the east you have Bay of Bengal. So, India is blessed by oceans on all the 3 sides. So, we can produce plenty of salts, and so India is one of the top producers of salt in the world. and the annual means the yearly production, it comes to about 200 lakh tons, and this production of iodized salt is about 60 lakh tons. Now this salt also requires to be iodized in the factories because iodized salt is good for our health. So iodized salt alone is 60 lakh tons production. Next is the Khadi, and next is the bicycle industry. Now you can see in the picture the factories producing bicycles. India is a leading producer of bicycles in the world. Bicycles are made in the states of Punjab and Tamil Nadu. The main center of bicycle manufacturing in India is Ludhiana. India exports bicycles to countries like Nigeria, Mexico, Kenya, Uganda and Brazil. Now students, even in bicycles, India is one of the leading producers, means many bicycles are produced in India and especially in the states of Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Now the main center for this bicycle production is at Ludhiana, and India exports means we sell it to other countries like Nigeria, Mexico, Kenya, Uganda and Brazil. So this all adds to our economy. The next is the Khadi and village industry. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission was established to give impetus to industrialization in rural areas. The main objectives behind the establishment of the corporation were to develop the traditional industries, handicrafts, cottage industries, and to encourage industries that use the material and human resources available at the local level and make the villages self-reliant by creating employment there. Now students, this Khadi and village industry, you can even see in the picture how it has to be made on the wheels, and this was established to give impetus, means to give a start to industrialization, especially in rural areas, means in villages. This main objective of this was to develop the traditional industries, then handicrafts, cottage industries, and to encourage the industries that use the materials and human resources available at the local level, means there and there itself, whatever resources available, make use of that, make that village self-reliant and thereby create employment for those people. So in this way children, we saw the different industries. In the next part we are going to study about the agriculture, then the system of agriculture in India and the policy of the central government. Thank you.